Okay, so in the linked list, we know what is linked list. Like we create the node, we divide it into two sections, and in the one section we put the data, and in the other section we put the address of the another node, and that way we draw the linked list, right? Today we will talk about the types of linked list. Types of linked list. So let me write down the. Okay, share the screen. Okay, is it visible? Yep. Okay. So types of linked list. Let me start. The very first type is single linked list. Then double linked list. Then single circular linked list. Double circular, and okay, in your syllabus there are four linked lists: single circular, double linked list, single linked list, double linked list, single circular, and the double circular. Let me draw the graphical representation of all these four so you can easily understand. So first we will draw the linked list for this. We have already studied this. This is remember in the last session we discussed this, right?
Yes.
So this is simple single linked list. Now the second one is the double linked list. And, big screen. Okay, so how many types, guys? Types of linked list?
Four.
Four. Basically five, but in your syllabus four, and at the end I'll discuss the fifth type. Okay, first one is
Singly linked
Single
list.
linked list.
single linked list that we have already discussed in the last session. Then we have second is the double linked list. Let me draw it. Double linked list. In the double linked list, what happens? This is my first node, but in the double linked list, the structure is divided into three sections. In the double linked list, the structure is divided into three sections. So here is the list. Then let me write down the values. Let's say 10. Is it visible? Properly visible, guys?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. And there will be one start pointer which has the address of the first node. let's say the address of this is 101, 102, and 103, and this ST will contain 101, so it will point to the first, right? This is the condition. Now it is called the doubly linked list. Means what? That the first node, this is my first node. If I want, you have to tell me, if I want that it should link the next node, what I need to do. Okay, let me give the names. This is info. This is previous. This is called next. These are the data members or the name of the structure sections. Okay, so this is the pre, that is previous, info, and then next. So, and both are the pointers. Okay, now if I say that I want to create this link, what I need to do, guys?
Next should have the address of the next node. This is 102.
Yes, which is 102. So when I say 102 means at that moment it will create this link. Similar way, if this has 103, it will point this, right? There is no any node, so here I'll have the null. Now we have the previous section or the previous part in the structure. So what I need to do, this, if I want to create this link, what I need, what I need to write here,
102.
102. So when I write the 102, it will create this link. If I write 101 over here, it will create this link. This is my first node, so this will contain the null character. So this is the structure of the doubly linked list. The meaning of the doubly is each node contains 3 paths. First part contains, first or any, you can divide it any format. The one section contains the address of the previous node. The second section contains the information, the data, and the third section contains the address of the next node. So the benefit of such type of linked list is you can traverse from any point. Like if I start from this way, okay, let me give you one example. Okay, let me give you one example. If I say that okay, see, if I say that this is my memory locations, and am I audible, everyone?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these are the memory locations, and right now I am over here. I am over here. I want to reach to this point. I want to reach to this point. So what is the way I can only go in this direction? Then and only then I'll reach over here. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
But if I say that I am over here, but my one copy is over here, or my one friend is over here, and I want to reach here, or my friend, suppose I want to collect something from this location. I want to collect something from this location. I am here, and my one friend is here, so I have only one choice that I can go in this direction. But yes, my friend is nearer to this location, so I can ask him कि भाई तू जा और लेके आ. So this is the shortest way, or it will save the time.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is the concept of the double link. Like you can traverse in any of the direction. In any of the direction, wherever you are, you can traverse in that direction. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So this is the concept of the double linked list.